I've just put another layer of boat coat in our river pour. It's come back clear. You would have seen it was all white from being sanded. We've got a few marks in it, but that's part of the character of it. So that's what she looks like. Still needs more. I'll probably another 90 to 180 mil in it, but I want to leave it about an hour between pours, and we're only putting in about 60 to 90 mil at a time, and that way it doesn't get too hot and it'll stay clear. We're using the boat coat non-yellowing hardener. It's the only one in the marketplace that won't yellow off or is clear. Most of the others have got a degree of yellow in them, or they will yellow. I've finished doing the pour on this side, so we'll let this side cure, and then we'll sand it flat and put 3 coats of boat coat on this side, and then we've got a bit of finish off to go on the other side too, to bring it up clear underneath and flat. Anyway, she's starting to look good.